to discuss how you can make $10,000 selling data online to real estate agents and real estate investors. So, a little bit about us. We went off and we did this for over 2 years. We generated in 2023 over $300,000 with this program we built, selling data and leads to various sales and business professional industries. The last video we did went over health insurance agents selling under 65 and ACA. And today, what we want to focus in on is how we are able to make money for real estate agents and real estate investors. So, if any of you haven't seen any of the videos in the past, you can go check them out. So I don't go over the same stuff over and over again. So today we want to focus on how can we provide more valuable services to real estate agents and investors. It's a very crowded market, real estate. A lot of people are real estate agents. A lot of people got into fix and flips, investing, Airbnb. So the real estate agent has to be very different in this very crowded world of professionals. So what we want to focus on and how we did it in the real estate market is we didn't generate leads. We used data analytical skills to skip trace and enrich the property records of people who are foreclosing on their home. So, in other words, public records, UCC filings, show that if an owner is delinquent on a property, the pre-foreclosure, the auction date, who has the lien. Obviously, this information does not have the phone number or email to the person. However, what we're able to do is, if we have accurate information, and actually, let me skip forward one. All right, yeah, right here. So if we have accurate information, right, the enriched data will be good. The output will be good. But if you are giving information that's not accurate, whether it's a home address that's wrong with the wrong name as the wrong street address, that means when you skip trace it to sell back to the real estate investor or real estate agent, they will have bad information in return because this address was never correct. So let me go back a slide to what skip tracing is.